In this installment of the Huntron Quick Tip video series, we're going to look at creating a custom toolbar button for a component. So to start, we're going to select a component that we want to assign a button to. In this case, I want the custom toolbar button that will be added to the top up here to open up a PDF file of a component pinout diagram. So to start, we'll just right-click on the row header for that component and select Edit. Notice you have a button here labeled Buttons. So let's click on that button. Drag this over here. And you notice we'll have several empty fields here that we need to configure. So the top one is the caption. This is the name that's given in the Actions toolbar menu. And so we'll just call it Pin Out Diagram. The command line is what application on the computer that you want to open when the button is clicked. So I'm just going to use Microsoft Edge to open my PDF file. You can see I've already pre-browsed to that, so here's the path to it in the Microsoft Applications folder, and there's Microsoft Edge right there. So click Open, you get that whole path in there. The file path is where the PDF is located that you want to open, so we'll browse to that, and I just have that in my Documents and Huntron folder. And you can see this document right here, 74hc74.pdf. Click Open for that. And if you did create a custom icon file, a little ICO file, then you could browse to that as well if you wanted to. Lastly, we'll just add a tooltip to this. We'll just call it Pin Out Diagram. And this will be used when you mouse over the button in the toolbar. So we'll click OK, and then we'll close our component edit window. So now you notice you have a new button up here at the top in the toolbar. And notice that if I select a different component, in this case BIC2, that the button goes away because I assigned this button to a specific component. So we'll go back to BIC4. You can see the button returns. So now if you click the button, it should open up Microsoft Edge and display your pinout diagram. This can be very useful for displaying information that you want to attach to a particular component, or you can also attach a button to a sequence or even to the board. So if you had a schematic or a PDF of all of the schematics for your circuit card, maybe assigning a board level button would be the way to do that. So we hope you enjoyed this video quick tip. We hope you found it useful. And please do check out all the other videos on the Huntron YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.